Have you noticed that staying strong seems harder after turning 50?
Maybe climbing stairs leaves you more tired than before. Or perhaps carrying groceries feels heavier now.
Or perhaps you've started losing muscle, even though your weight hasn't changed much.
Many people assume these are simply signs of aging. But here's the surprising truth.
One of the biggest reasons adults over 50 lose strength isn't necessarily age. It's not getting enough high-quality protein. And here's another surprise. It's not just about eating more protein. It's about eating the right kinds of protein at the right times, while avoiding some very common mistakes that can quietly sabotage your health.
In today's video, we'll explore the best high-protein foods for adults over 50. Why they're so important, and the mistakes many people make without even realizing it. Let's get started. Protein is much more than a nutrient for athletes. It is the building material your body uses to maintain muscles, repair tissues, and support your immune system. It also helps produce hormones and keeps your skin, hair, and bones healthy. As we age, however, our bodies become less efficient at using protein. This natural process means older adults often need a higher intake of quality protein. Staying active and stretching is crucial to maintain muscle mass in older adults. At the same time, muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, begins to accelerate. Without enough protein, your body may gradually lose strength, balance, and mobility. Fortunately, choosing protein-rich foods consistently can help support healthy aging. Eggs are one of the most complete protein sources available for adults. A single large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with essential vitamins and minerals crucial for your overall well-being.
Eggs also provide leucine, an important amino acid that helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis.
Many people still avoid eggs because of outdated concerns about cholesterol.
However, for most healthy adults, moderate egg consumption can be part of a balanced diet. Scrambled eggs with vegetables, boiled eggs as a snack, or an omelet for breakfast. These are all simple, delicious ways to easily increase your daily protein intake. Greek yogurt is an excellent choice because it contains significantly more protein than regular yogurt.
One serving often provides 15 to 20 grams of protein, a substantial amount.
It also supplies calcium, a vital nutrient which supports strong, healthy bones. Choose plain Greek yogurt whenever possible to reduce added sugars in your diet.
You can add fresh berries, walnuts, cinnamon, or chia seeds for extra nutrition.
Salmon is undeniably one of the best foods for healthy aging. Not only is it rich in protein, but it's also packed with beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s support heart health, enhance brain function,
and may help reduce inflammation.
Salmon is also relatively easy to digest for many older adults. Aim to include fatty fish, like salmon, a couple of times each week. If it fits your dietary preferences and your healthcare provider's advice. Skinless chicken breast remains one of the leanest and most affordable protein sources. It contains high-quality protein with relatively little saturated fat, a healthy choice.
Grilled, baked, or roasted chicken can be added to salads, soups, wraps, or grain bowls.
Preparing several portions at once also makes healthy meals easier throughout the week.
Plant-based proteins like beans and lentils deserve a prominent place on this list too.
Beans and lentils provide protein, along with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants.
Fiber specifically supports digestive health and helps people feel full longer, which is very beneficial. For adults looking to reduce meat consumption, combining beans with other nutritious foods. This can contribute significantly to a balanced and satisfying diet.
Examples include hearty lentil soup, flavorful black bean chili, or fresh chickpea salads. Cottage cheese is another excellent protein source, packed with nutrients.
Many varieties contain more than 20 grams of protein per cup.
It also notably contains casein protein, which digests slowly and provides sustained benefits.
Some people enjoy cottage cheese before bedtime to provide amino acids throughout the night. Pair it with sliced peaches, fresh tomatoes, or crisp cucumber for a satisfying snack.
Soy-based foods such as tofu and edamame provide complete plant protein.
They're versatile, easy to prepare, and suitable for vegetarian or plant-forward diets.
Tofu absorbs the flavors of the foods it's cooked with, making it useful in stir-fries and soups.
It is also great for salads. Edamame makes a convenient high-protein snack. Lean cuts of beef provide high-quality protein, essential iron, vitamin B12, and zinc. These vital nutrients are especially important for maintaining energy and supporting healthy red blood cells.
Choose lean cuts and reasonable portion sizes to fit into an overall balanced eating pattern.
Many people eat very little protein for breakfast and lunch during their day.
Then they tend to consume a very large amount of protein at dinner. However, your muscles respond much better when protein is spread throughout the day.
Instead of one large serving, consider including protein with each meal.
For example, eggs at breakfast, Greek yogurt as a snack,
Chicken or fish at lunch, beans or salmon at dinner.
This consistent pattern may better support muscle maintenance and overall vitality. Protein powders can be convenient, especially for busy individuals.
But they shouldn't replace a healthy diet unless recommended by your healthcare provider.
Whole foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats that powders often lack.
Think of protein shakes as a supplement, not the fundamental foundation of your nutrition.
Some adults dramatically reduce calories in an attempt to lose weight.
If calorie intake becomes too low, your body may begin breaking down muscle for energy.
Maintaining muscle requires both adequate protein and enough overall nutrition, a critical balance.
Weight loss should ideally preserve muscle, not sacrifice it for short-term gains.
Protein alone cannot effectively maintain muscle. Your muscles need a reason to stay strong.
Resistance exercises such as lifting light weights, using resistance bands, or body weight exercises.
These signal your muscles to utilize the protein you eat more effectively for growth.
Even 2 or 3 strength training sessions per week can make a meaningful difference.
For many adults, always choose activities appropriate for your fitness level.
And consult your healthcare provider before beginning a new exercise program.
Especially if you have any pre-existing medical concerns. This common belief, "I'm too old to build muscle," is one of the biggest myths. Research clearly suggests that older adults can still improve strength and muscle function.
This is achieved with appropriate nutrition and regular resistance exercise.
Progress may happen more slowly than it did decades ago. But the vital improvement is still absolutely possible and highly beneficial.
Healthy aging isn't about becoming younger. It's about becoming stronger than you were yesterday. Protein is one of the most important nutrients for healthy aging. Choosing foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon, and chicken,
Beans, cottage cheese, tofu, and lean beef can significantly support muscle health.
These foods boost energy, recovery, and overall quality of life.
Just as important is avoiding common mistakes, such as skipping protein earlier in the day,
or relying only on supplements, eating too few calories, or neglecting strength training.
Remember, small daily choices often have the biggest long-term impact on your health. Everyone's nutritional needs are different. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for personalized medical advice from a professional. If you have kidney disease, diabetes, or other medical conditions, talk with your healthcare provider
or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it.
Share it with someone who wants to stay strong and healthy after 50. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.